Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
uTorrent download free. So to download free uTorrent, just type in right here uTorrent. uTorrent download right there. After clicking on that, click on uTorrent download for Windows. Then some people mistaken this for download for the uTorrent, but no, don't click on this because this is just a web. So just scroll down till you see this one right here, uTorrent Classic, and then click on free download. After clicking on free download, you'll be located right here. Wait for the download to finish. Here's the downloading. Once it finishes, it will be located to your folder. And all you need to do is click on that right there. Click on your uTorrent. There you go. Click on that. After clicking on your uTorrent right here, you should be able to install. There we go. Welcome to uTorrent. Since I have my uTorrent on, I think it's not gonna work, but let's just hope it works. Even if I already have my uTorrent. So next, then click on no. We're not gonna upgrade it. Okay, fine. We're gonna upgrade it. Upgrade. So right now we're just upgrading it because we've already gotten our uTorrent done downloading. Now we're gonna move on to our phone and how to download the uTorrent if you're using Android. Hey guys, if you want to use uTorrent on your phone, all you need to do is click on Search App and Games right here and type in uTorrent and then click on Install right there. There you go. So now it's loading. So there you go. It's that simple. When downloading, just go to your Play Store, or you can download it from the Google itself in its Chrome. But I suggest using Play Store. Let's open our uTorrent right here, and as you can see, allow, and those. Now here we go. So this is the downloading, and here are the complete downloading for APKs or any file you want to download in your uTorrent. So there you go, guys. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video because you enjoyed. If you have any more questions about uTorrent, just type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.